is ready, you guys. Look at that. I just ordered these lobster from lobsterboy.com, and we had like 5 of them, and they were huge, between 4 to 5 or 6 pounds each. And I'm gonna use this one here to cook. I'm gonna make a grilled garlics and butter sauce lobster. What I will do is that I'm gonna clean the lobster really good at first, and then I'm gonna do like a butterfly lobster and put in the pans here and then baked in the barbecue grill outside. All right, I hope you enjoy the video. Look at this lobster. To kill the lobster, you guys, it is really easy, and all you need to do is just use like lukewarm water and turn it on and rinse on the lobster for about maybe 30 seconds, and it will die. And then once the lobster die, then I will cut them up and do what I need to do, you know. So what I have here, I have a big cleaver here and a big scissor here I used to cut. So here it is. I'm gonna clean the lobster using lukewarm water, and hopefully it will kill put the lobster to sleep here. It's already gone already. So fast. Okay, that's it. He's gone. See this? He's not moving anymore. Wow. The first thing I do first is try to remove the claw out from this lobster here. You can just, you know, let's see if I can cut with this scissor here. Here it is. I'm gonna cut out the rubber band. I'll wash it again. Look at this claw here. It's bigger than my hands, you guys. Look at this. This is my hand here. Look at the claw. Huge. I'm gonna cut up the tentacle here. So the plan is to split the lobster in 2. You know, it's only my wife and I, so this will feed us both here. And normally, I just start from the bottom and work my way up. And let's see how it works. And you know, this lobster is a pretty big lobster, and the shell is really tough to cut. But with this scissor here, I hope that we can do it. We'll go from this end, maybe it's easier. I'm sure, like, you know, in a Chinese restaurant, they have different method of butterflying the lobster, but this is how I normally do it, so I don't know any other way. It doesn't help, my wrist is kind of hurt today with my arthritis, so I don't have that much of a strength here. Before maybe I'll just use a knife right here. So I just broke the poop sack here. I'm gonna remove it out. This part, you don't need it. Just throw this part away. You can see here. And the rest, I keep them. Don't throw these away. This is more like the brain or fat, and that's really, really good once they cook. I'm gonna put it over here. Look at this. Nicely. What do you think? And these two claws here, I'm not gonna bake it. I'm gonna steam them because it's gonna take a long time to put it in the grill because they're so big. I just wanna make sure it cooked thoroughly, so I'm just gonna steam these two claws. I'm gonna show you what ingredient I'm using here. So obviously we got the lobster here, ready to be spiced. So I'm gonna use some Parmesan cheese, black pepper, and some chicken powder. And this is a fresh garlic that my wife already chopped and put in this bottle here. And Spanish paprika. And this here is the fresh green scallions and cilantro, all chopped up here. Along with that is the main part, is the butter, melted butter. Here I'm gonna put maybe a spoonful, that much, maybe even more, if you like garlic, into the butter. I'm gonna put all of the chopped scallions and the cilantro in here. I'll maybe save a little bit, add it on the top later on. Chicken powder in there, and the black pepper. Mix this really good. Like that. All right, and I'm gonna dress put the butter and the sauce on the lobster here. It's gonna taste so good, you guys. If you haven't tried this recipe before, hopefully you learned something new here. And you can add this later on, while it's cooking. So I'm saving some, for later while it's cooking, and just keep soaking some more butter on the top. And then from here, I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese. And if you don't like Parmesan cheese, you don't have to do this, but I do, I like it. Just put some. Like that. I'm gonna put some more black pepper. I love black pepper. Sprinkle on the top of the lobster some more. And lastly, I'm gonna shake these Spanish paprika here. Give a really good, nice color when it's cooked. And give a good taste too. There you go, it's ready to be baked. There it is. So I'm gonna put on the grill here. I have the grill on here and ready to go. Let it cook for about maybe 15 minutes. High heat. I'll come back and check for the next 5-10 minutes here. It's been over 5 minutes. I'm gonna go check to see. Wow, look at that, guys. Looks like it's almost ready. I'm gonna lower down the temperature now. Let it cook for another 5 more minutes. I'm gonna use the rest of the butter and ingredient I have in there and just add to it. All right, remember I still have some extra butter left over. I'm gonna pour it all in there. Use them all up. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. It smells incredible. And I still have the leftover scallions and the cilantro here. Put it all in there again. And cover for another 5 more minutes. Hopefully that will cook all the way through. Now it's in a lower heat, so just check one more time. It should be ready now. It's about 15 minutes here. Whoa, it is ready, you guys. Look at that. I am hungry now. All right, I'm gonna shut off the gas and bring it inside. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ready to be served. So I'm gonna give a squeeze of lime. Here it is. All right, we're good, ready to go. All right, you guys, I'm excited. Look at this here. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a taste to see what it's like. I'm sure it's gonna be really bad. No, I'm just kidding. Just cut a piece of meat right here. Yeah, look at it, it's nicely cooked here. I want to take a big piece right now because it's really hot. It is so good, you guys. It's spiced perfectly, and the lobster is just really sweet, but it's fresh. I'm gonna finish the rest of the lobster here. All right, have a good day. There you go. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to press like and subscribe.